Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download and install MPV player full setup modern skin in Windows. The first thing you have to do to install MPV, open your browser, type in this MPV, click on the first link, and here go under installations. Here go on the second link, click on it. Here, go with the first link where it says 64-bit system. Click on it. Let it download. After it's done downloading, open the location of the file. I already downloaded it. Right over here. Then open the extraction. Then you'll need to copy all this. Copy. Then you can move them in your program file system. Okay, you can go and see program files, and here you can create a folder called MPV. New folder. Continue. MPV. Open it, then paste it. Continue. Once it's done, the first thing you have to do is to right-click where it says register and say run as administrator. Then you click on run. After that, go under where it says installer. Then right-click here where it says the updater and click on run with PowerShell. Let it finish the process installing the MPV player into your computer. After you're done, then you have to go and install new skins. For you to do that, go onto your browser, then type in this modern Z GitHub. Click on this link. Once it opens up, then click on code, then click where it says download zip. After you download it, look where the location is. This one over here. Open it, double click it, open it. We are going to copy these three files, the Lua, the conf, and the icons. Copy. Then here you can follow the sequence, okay? Go on this PC, go on C, then go on users, under your username, and we're going to look for app data. For you to view this folder, just go on view and go show and click on hidden items. After you do that, enter app data, then enter in roaming, then look for a folder called MPV. If you do not have one, you can create one. After you do this, we are going to paste those files. We are going to make 3 different folders. The first folder, we're going to name it scripts. The second folder, we are going to name it scripts ops. Then the final folder, we are going to name it fonts. So in scripts, we are going to put this folder, Lua. In scripts ops, we're going to put this file conf. And in fonts, we're going to copy this folder, this file. After you're done, right click, and we're going to make a new document. Here, text document. Rename it to mpv.config. Then double click on it. Then inside here, you're going to type in this OSC =, no. Then after you do that, you save it. You can run the MPV player with the new modern skin, and you're done.